there's more Gridserve chargers being installed at Chieveley Services, which is doubling the capacity here. Chieveley Services is run by Moto and is in Berkshire near Newbury. It's a busy services as it serves drivers going east or west along the M4 at junction 13 and also drivers going north or south along the A34. At this site there's currently 12 350 kilowatt Gridserve bays which opened in January 2024. These always seem busy when I've called in here, and I've often seen people waiting, and there's one car doing that today, which isn't helped by one charger being out of action. Plus there's the original two 50 kilowatt chargers on the other side of the car park, which that waiting car has just moved over to use. But now they're installing a further 12 new charging bays to the right of the building, and these will likely be the new 400 kilowatt chargers, the same as they've recently installed at Beaconsfield and Cobham, and I've done videos on both of those sites if you'd like to find out more. So this is a doubling of the high power chargers at this site, with a total of 26 DC rapid charging bays when these go live. So when are these expected to go live? Well, I'm not sure. There's no public announcement yet by Gridserve even acknowledging this expansion, and by the looks of it, it's probably a few weeks away yet. But this expansion here will be welcomed when the summer holiday traffic starts. That's it for this one. I hope you found it useful, and if you want to see more videos on the UK's charging infrastructure, see the playlist which I'll link below. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus of course subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the super thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search and have a look at the playlists. And here's two videos you may want to check out.